Are you broke? Are you looking for ways of making money and you're looking for easy ways of making money? Well, in this YouTube channel, we exist for that because we give you ideas on how to make money. In today's episode, I came across a very interesting article because, guys, the Japanese are looking for people that can give them ideas that will make their young people to drink more alcohol. Have you ever heard something like that? They want to make a lot of money, so they are looking for ideas that will make their young people to drink more alcohol. So do you have that idea? Don't worry. Or do you want to know more about that? Then please stick around. Guys, to those that will stick around, guys, if you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Because to subscribe it is free, and to like the video it is free. Just guys, to subscribe it is free. In today's episode, guys, is one of those most insane episodes. You know why? Because in South Africa, one of the biggest contributors in our GDP is actually alcohol. The last time I checked, I think it was in 2016, one company, I think it's called ABAB what. It's a Belgian company that operates also in South Africa. In just 1 year, they made 1.27 trillion rand turnover in 2016 alone. Then you ask yourself, maybe Japan started that and they were like, there's money to be made in alcohol. So we're looking for ideas that will make our young people to drink more alcohol. Let's just say I'm joking. Let's not think that I'm manufacturing facts. Let's get into this article, guys. I know certain things, guys. I just don't understand, why would you want your people to drink alcohol? Japanese wants ideas to get young adults to drink more alcohol. This comes from engoo.com. engoo.com. That's what the article is. It's called Exercise 2, right? Japanese National Tax Agency NTA has started a competition asking for ideas to encourage young Japanese adults to drink more alcohol. According to government data, Japanese alcohol consumption has fallen from an average of 100 liters of alcohol drinks per person in 1995 just to 75 liters in 2022. Japanese alcohol tax revenue for 2022 was 1.1 trillion yen, around 8.2 billion. This was a decrease of 110 billion yen, about 800 billion compared with 2019. Events being cancelled and bars and restaurants closing early for much of 2022 because of the COVID-19 pandemic certainly caused a decrease in alcohol consumption. The country's shrinking population is also making the Japanese drink market smaller, but changes in consumer behavior caused by the pandemic means that younger Japanese adults are just drinking less and may continue to do so. For example, the NTA told Gigi that an increase in working from home has caused many people to wonder if it is really necessary for them to go out for drinks with their co-workers, usually common practice in Japan. So the NTA has started the Say Viva campaign to ask 20 to 39-year-old for their ideas on how to encourage people their age to drink more. These ideas could be for new products, new ways to promote drink, or even new sales method using artificial intelligence technology. Ideas can be submitted to the NTA online until September 9 to 2022 and must be relevant to Japanese drink, including sake and soju, as well as Japanese beer, wine, and whiskey and liquid. The winning plan will be decided in November 2022. However, it's not clear what the prize, if any, will be. Now, guys, certain things are very much interesting. You do not want to ask me, why would you get your young people drinking alcohol? Because the more they are sober, it's the more they make a real decision. you do not want to talk about that. You don't want to talk to me about the fact that why aren't they learning from South Africa that part of the GBV stats and the cause of the GBV stats, largest contributors, it is alcohol consumption, it is drug abuse as well. So why would you then want to get your people drunk? Part of the problem that we have in South Africa, one of the biggest problem in terms of road accident is alcohol consumption and drug abuse. I can name a lot of things. Homes are crumbling, coming down. There's no longer sympathy in our homes, and there's just things are messed up. Because of alcohol consumption, people want to spend much of their time drinking alcohol instead of spending time with their families. Why would you then take a country that has got that advantage and you want to make them drink more alcohol? It just doesn't make sense. It's insane. Why would you get your people drunk instead of having them sober so that they can create more ideas on how to promote the GDP in the country, but you want to get them drunk? Why? Because you're just focusing on the GDP. You want the GDP to come through alcohol consumption instead of maybe finding other ideas that you can use. It's just surprising. You know what I'm saying? Nevertheless, it is actually happening. So what do you say about it? It's just one of those things that will shock you. Get into the comment section below. Maybe you're interested. You can submit your own thing there. I won't even lie to you. I just don't understand. But nevertheless, if you're interested, check in the comment section below. I will leave the article there so that you can go and apply and submit your idea should you be interested. Till the next episode, good people, please take care.